Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back, my browdy boys and girls, for one more unboxing video. Let's get started. So in this box we have a manual. So we can see a manual first and few pamphlets. And here is the flasher device. Let me open and show you. So here we can see all the features of this hazard light, and we have a switch where we can change all the patterns. Now let me show you how to install inside the bike. So here is the connector. We have to remove that the factory connector and keep it safely, because if you lose that you won't get it back. Because if you want to switch back if you want to remove the hazard light, that switch has to be go back again. And here there's a clip, and you have to connect this device into that connector safely. Connect it safely. Okay, it has to get locked, and place it safely inside the bike and cover the seat. That was unboxing video and installation of hazard light, which is very easy to plug and play. And we have 40 patterns, as I told before. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share and comment also, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By telling this, thank you so much, and have a great life, and we're gonna catch up in another video. Until bye bye, take care.